Hi, Brainiacs and Scholars. I am missing you guys so much, and I hope that you are enjoying some time at home with your family members and siblings. I wanted to reach out because I had mentioned on Google Classroom and on Dojo that we would be posting some maybe just extra games and things for you to work on if you're running out of ideas of things to practice. So for math, here are just a list of some games that you can find online. I have sorted them by the topic that they cover. So if there's a certain area you want to work on, maybe click on the game that's under that topic. At the very bottom, there is a couple of mixed review games. The Math Millionaire looked really fun, so hopefully these just give you a couple more ideas. Certainly don't feel like you have to work on these. It's just an option if you're looking for some ideas of games. Along with that, I am going to post a Boredom Busters idea. There are 100 different ideas here of things that you can work on at home with your family. Just some things that you maybe never thought of doing before or didn't have the time to do at home. So there's a lot of different ideas in here, some that pertain to Miss Stauffer and I. So if you do any of these, please feel free to leave a comment or show us a picture. You can send us anything on Dojo. We would love to see what you guys are up to and keep us updated on how things are going at home. But hopefully we will be reaching out again soon, maybe with some more information, and hope to be back at school soon to see you guys. But enjoy your time. Let us know if you have any questions, and we will see you soon. Bye, guys.